This year, our team is working with Nature's Crops International, which is a local company here in PEI which produces natural oils from plants. My name is Ben Fraser, and I'm working with Nate VanIderstine, Elly Arsenault, and Temi twins on the vacuum skid bearing failure project. Nature's Crops has two main pumps in their vacuum skid, which are the HV8000s that were failing prematurely, as they should last 3 years but were only lasting 1.5 years. The main point of failure were the bearings, and so the team was tasked with trying to find out what is causing these bearing failures. The team began with investigating into 5 different problem areas, and ultimately decided to move forward with the system sizing and design since there were no values indicating any operating temperatures or pressures in the system. The team created a data acquisition system which was implemented on the vacuum skid at Nature's Crops to be able to acquire 2 different types of operational values. One was the temperature, which we use a sensor mounted onto the piping of the system, both the inlet and the outlet, as well as 2 pressure transducers, which were mounted on the inlet and the outlet of the HV8000 pump to be able to know the pressure differential across this pump. These values turned out to be within spec of what they were supposed to be in the system, and so the team moved forward with a bearing fault detection system. This bearing fault detection system enables the client to know when the bearings are close to failure. It incorporates vibrational sensors on both pumps as well as a human-machine interface for the client to be able to see the operational values of the system. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at the Design Expo.